Where does all the old gold broken jewellery go? Well, quite a lot of it comes into our scrap counter, and we need old gold because that's what we make our new gold products from. So we sell things like gold wire and gold sheet that jewellers come in and buy and make new jewellery with. This also means that we need to get gold from somewhere, and rather than mine it, we actually buy old gold and melt it down and refine it. Gold is a great material to be recycled. Gold is really stable, and this means that it can be melted and it can be refined really easily. All of the gemstones in this jewellery will be removed and returned to the customer. Then we'll take the gold downstairs in our factory in Birmingham and we'll melt it down in the furnace. This gold then goes through loads of processes to roll it out, to draw it into wire until we have a new product that we can sell. So when you come into our trade counter and buy our gold, you know where it has come from. And we also know what the quality is like because we made it. And while it is really sad to see this jewellery being melted down, it does mean that it can be repurposed and have future value. This gold has so much sentiment and history to it, and now it's having a new life as something else. Sorting through all the different jewellery that comes into the scrap counter is such a joy. And you literally never know what you're going to get.